ito dali mo. Okay lang yung top. Ewan ko. Hindi mo makita eh. Saan mo? Like over. Pakita mo. Pakita mo. No! Hindi. Ako naman yan. Eh, kasi pinonit na di ba? Hindi. Side. Hi guys, so right now I'm waiting for Lucila. I'm going to borrow my costume. Still waiting for her here. I had no choice. I got kicked out, so I'm waiting here. Very. Oh, you Seb! Hi, Sir Boy. Seb, Seb, bye. Okay, bye bye. Ingat. I don't know why, but I really want to talk to people right now. Like, I feel so, I don't know. Like, I just want to talk to people. And I feel like such a weirdo with this camera. Huh. But like, I don't want my ankle to go like bad or something. I'm waiting for her. I feel like a parent right now. I feel like a parent. So, let's wait for her. Hi, school. Hi, Erica. Hi, Erica. Okay.
Now that we put it, doesn't realize that wala ko din ang place there.
Kaya ito? Naka-video! Wait lang! Ba't naka-video?
Naka-video yung settings. Where?
Alam mo yun, yung ID niya?
Hindi. Baka matulog.
Hi, sir!
Hindi ko nabigyan si Sir Alan. Oh my God! Wait, die. I am CS. Girl. My girl. My girl. Girl. Hi, girl. Okay, bye, girl. Pink heart. Mukhang sa edad mo yung mga kanina. Hi, Nicole. I love you. Hi, Salen.
Ikaw yung line referee. Pero yun, no, napag-intern din ako.
entire company was like really rapid. Who would take over, and would they even look a little bit different? You know, it ended with Steve Jobs stepping
Arawan mo na lang. Ewan ko sa nila. Hello! Wait, baka na introduction muna. Introduction, okay. State your name and occupation.
Hi, my name is Nicole Eve Nazareno. I am now in grade 11. I am a communication student. Guys, we're near graduating. We're gonna graduate soon in grade 12.
Naka-first club pa. Hindi ka rin enjoy na
Pwede ba, naka-front ka?
Lapit ka, lapit.
Naka-record na ba to?
Oo.
Hi, Nicole! Message ko lang sa'yo na, be yourself lang lagi. Huwag ka makikinig sa mga basher. Always be whimsical because that's you. And I know you for that. And magko-quote lang ako na loving you what you love is freedom, but loving what you do is happiness. That's all. I love you.
Hi. Nakatali ko. What do you want to say? Hi, Nicole. I hope you know that you're the best. Kahit sa pardagulan or sa seryosong panahon. I will also quote ang sinabi ni Sir Kerr kasi love mo si Sir Kerr. The love is to build the good of another. God, ano yung visual reaction? Hindi ko narinig eh. Hindi ko narinig yung quote. The love is to build the good of another. Gusto? The love is to build the good of another. Where? The love is to wield the good of another. Wield the good? Ano? The love is to wield the good of another. The love is to wield the good. Wait lang. This one. Ayaw mag-focus. The love is to wield the good of another. Ang masyadong maliit, girl. Wait lang. The love is to wield the good of another. Ang galing, gagi. Sabi niya ni Sir. And they say Shakespeare did. Another. But hindi yun. Matawa ko eh. If it fails, it's not love.
Oh, nakita ko yun. Bago mo yun nakal.
Kami nakalagay, TF.
They had enough, guys.
Wait, ang lapit! Ano, I last step na.
Okay, okay.
So today, what's in my note? Kanino to?
Ewan na.
Hello, Nicole.
Bibig na bibig naman. Okay naman.
Balik niya lang nalaman na meron akong break.
Oo. Hindi ko napansin.
Kita yun
Ikaw na lang maghawak din. Yan, ako dapat maghawak. Yan, kita yun.
Pero ako sa speech.
Guys, ako muna montage muna sa akin. Behind the scenes.
Makeup.
Nakaiiyak ako sa kanila guys. I'm so emotional. I'm so emotional by their messages. I'm crying. Girl, mag-isip. Ginano ko, airtime. Nagpulaglayaan. So, I'm going. Nakikita niyo ba yung mukha ko? Hello!
Saranghe! Kaya
Nagalag na siya dahil sa'yo, Presyo.
Ala,
Oo, mamatay siya.
grabe kasi face card ko, di niya kaya.
She's ready for her message, guys.
I still can't think of a message.
Ay,
Isip ko yung TF dun to. Anyways, hi Nicole. You probably watch this later on.
oo.
Later on, nakikita. I hope that you find what you're looking for.
May reaction agad sabi.
And I hope that you're forever happy. Not only with the person, but with yourself. Basta sa'yo napunta yung emotions.
Guys! Wala. Wala na ginagawa mo, Queen!
Guys, tulinis na tayo.
Cleaners ako! Cleaners to! Cleaners to! Cleaners! Wala bang ginagawa?
Hi, sir. Dramatic hair.
Guys, I'm gonna clean na. I'm such a good student. Kaya na, merit student here. Conduct pala yun. Conduct pala. Conduct student here. Informative.
Informative.
Eh, na chapter mo.
Patayo.
Guys, ang galing ko. Naglilinis ako.
Tuloy ko na yung love story namin.
Dalawa to. Ang gulo-gulo. Ano na ba?
Hi, Nicole. Bye, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Bye, Nicole.
Ay, sa'yo pala ito.
Where's Nicole? Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
Natutulad lang ako.
Sino yan? Hi, Akisha. Hi, Akisha. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Ang annoying? I love you, Nicole. Sana masaya ka kahit hindi siya mapunta sa'yo. That's all. Sana you find what's truly good for you. Not just what you want. Kasi minsan, hindi lahat ng gusto mo ay nakakabuti para sa'yo. So when you pray, you don't pray to get what you want, but to pray for what's good for you. Ba't nanginginig yung boses ko? Ninenervous kasi ako.
Dinig mo yun kapag dito ako nagsasalita? Dinig yun? Pag dito ako nagsasalita?
Good kid. Nax. So yeah, I hope you listen to this part.
A single mother who works too hard. Hi, Nicole. You're gonna suffer, Nicole. Sana hindi masunog yung spoon.